Vive le français! Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. So behind me you can see there is the castle, the château. And today I want to discuss with you a French expression, what is it? Faire des concessions. Faire des concessions, what does it mean? Faire des concessions, it means you cannot have everything in life, and sometimes on dit il faut faire des concessions. It means you have to accept that you cannot decide everything. Sometimes you need to say, okay, I don't want to do this work, but I need to do this work. Sometimes you need to say, okay, I disagree with these guys, but I will just faire des concessions. Je vais faire des concessions. You need to accept. And this is a huge debate. Dans la vie, faut-il faire des concessions? Faut-il faire des concessions? Do you have to do concessions dans la vie? In my opinion, no. Moi, je suis un jusque-boutiste. Je suis un jusque-boutiste. Jusqu'au bout. Jusqu'au bout means you go until the end. The end is the death. Okay? The end is you take a gun and you shoot yourself. That's the end. Jusqu'au bout. Je suis un jusque-boutiste. It means I believe in something and I'm going to do everything I can to try and I'm going to do everything I can to try and push this because this is what I believe in. This is what I believe in. This is called un jusque-boutiste. And I think in the modern society, in the world where we live in, il ne faut pas faire des concessions. On many things you cannot do any concession. For instance, I believe that we should not have any pesticide. We should keep the natural life. I believe that there shouldn't be overpopulation on this planet. So we need to make choice together. As mankind, we need to make choice for the long-term life on the planet. I believe that we must refuse the GMO and the pesticides that make us sick and that will destroy the environment, destroy the life, destroy la biodiversité, the biodiversity. So on all this, I believe il ne faut pas faire de concessions. I believe people have the right to be happy, and it means to be able to eat. It means to be able to drink. It means to be able to have a roof over their head. It means to be able to have a minimum health guarantee, to minimum retirement guarantee for the old people, for the people who are sick. And I think on all this, il ne faut pas faire de concessions. Unfortunately, we are not quite often we are not given the choice. Donc that's my personal belief, and for all this I believe il ne faut pas faire de concessions. Je vais faire des concessions peut-être avec ma femme, you know, when you have your wife, you have your husband. Okay, you have no choice, so you can say, okay, je vais faire des concessions because I have no choice, and that's the family life, and sometimes you need to accept that maybe you are wrong, or maybe even you are not wrong. Just let it be, because she will be happy to feel that she's right, or she will be happy to feel that, because that's life. You cannot always be 100%. But on many issues, I don't like to do. Je n'aime pas faire des concessions. Because I feel I'm right, so I don't like to do. Est-ce que vous acceptez, est-ce que vous pensez, do you think, est-ce que vous pensez qu'il faut faire des concessions dans la vie? Est-ce que vous pensez qu'il faut faire des concessions? Et est-ce que vous êtes jusque-boutiste? Est-ce que vous êtes jusque-boutiste? Peut-être ce n'est pas bien d'être jusque-boutiste. Maybe it is not good to be jusque-boutiste, you know? Because maybe when you behave this way, then you will be like a terrorist. You'll be able to fight for your ideas, and maybe that's not good, you know? It's all about the education and the beliefs that you have, and I really think that depending on the country, depending on the civilization, some people will go until the end, and some people are more willing to say, okay, that's life, let it be, you know. Donc faire des concessions et être jusque-boutiste, aller jusqu'au bout. Au revoir, merci.